Ad-free Instagram and Facebook is here, and it's expensive. For users in the EU, if you want to go ad-free on Facebook and Instagram, you'll have to pay extra to cover both profiles starting next spring. Meta is starting to prompt users to sign up for the paid no-ads version of Facebook and Instagram that's launching in Europe. It's rolling out as Meta responds to new EU privacy regulations by positioning the use of its services with targeted ads as a choice by users. Of course, that choice is also the only alternative available to paying around $20 per month to disengage from ads on Facebook and Instagram. The new prompt clarifies that people using both Facebook and Instagram will eventually need to pay an additional fee to cover both profiles. The pop-up appeared on one of our editor's Instagram accounts, and Matt Navarra mentions people are seeing them on Facebook as well, so you can see what it looks like right here. The fee to go ad-free is €9.99 per month when purchased on the web or €12.99 per month if purchased through Google's or Apple's app stores. Right now, that subscription fee covers all linked accounts. However, after March 1st, subscribers will have to pay an extra fee for any additional linked profiles in their Meta account center. It's €6 per month if purchased directly or €8 if purchased via an app store. The ad-free service is only offered to users over the age of 18. According to the prompt from Meta, it's introducing this new choice because laws are changing in your region. The company will ask adult users in the countries where this feature is available to choose either to subscribe or to use its products for free. Of course, choosing the free option instead of the stacking fees means you'll discover products and brands through personalized ads and that your info will be used for ads.